Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, this is just the unboxing of the Home Cafe collection by Fancy Pants Designs. This one is a little bit smaller than previous kits because this one has the collection paper pack with the sticker sheet, one pack of ephemera, and enamel dots. There are no foam title piece stickers, and there usually is 2 packs of ephemera. This collection only has 1. So I'll quickly go through the content. So here you can see the overall color palette for this collection. Love the pastels, the coral, pink, yellow, mint green, and that light blue looks so good together. This collection, it's called Home Cafe, and all of the icons have to do with like baking and cooking. So cooked with love, live, love, bake. Baker's gonna bake, let's bake. So you can see the theme for the collection. So I will be working on this collection for the month of June. And then let's go over the papers. So you get 2 of each sheet. And here's the first 2 sheets. So this is the back, this is A, this is B. Then this is the A, and here is the B. Then here is the A, here's B. See all the little icons that you can cut out. This like pear with a classic stripe. This strawberry, scattered strawberries with a great strawberry pattern in the back. I feel like I'm gonna fussy cut these out. And another strawberry one, I'm gonna fussy cut these out too. I already feel a layout coming. And then the baking icons on the navy background. And then these are your 6x12 cardstock stickers. So the rolling pins, the icons of baking, let's bake. Home Cafe, let's stay home. I love the fork and knife too, those are really cute. All right, so like I said, this is just the unboxing video. Stay tuned, and I will have a project coming up quite shortly with using this, probably a 12x12, maybe a pocket page. We will see what my inspiration takes me, but I'm feeling like a 12x12 will be first, cutting out those strawberry elements because those are really cute. Thank you for joining me. Please subscribe, and I will leave this linked down below where you can find it at fancypants.com. And remember to use Moments10 for a discount if you shop on their site. Thank you so much. Bye.